Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I came with another activity, that is a hat. Okay, now it's a very easy hat. It's a sailor's hat. Okay, everyone get ready with the A4 sheet. Take one A4 sheet. Take your favorite color A4 sheet, and what you have to do, you have to just fold the A4 sheet into half. Then you have to fold this into another fold. Just fold it. Okay. Now you have to press it. Just fold the paper and you have to press it. And now just open it and okay. Now with this edge, then you have to fold it like this one more time. Okay, and you have to press this one. Okay, same with this side also. Okay, you have to press it. Okay, and now what you have to do, take this paper, edge one, and you have to put it up. You have to put it up and take it up and turn back, and same to this one also. Just fold it up. Paper, you have to fold it up. Okay. Now this edges are there, no? What you have to do, you have to fold the one edge. Take one edge and you have to fold it like this. Okay, you have to fold it inside, and then take this edge will be there, no? Just fold it this side. Okay, and now turn this side. Same with this side also. Take this edge and fold it inside. Okay, and this one, okay, it will come here like this. And our hat is ready. The sailor's hat is ready. Okay, everyone do the activity. Okay, and enjoy the day.